Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best self-propelled lawn mowers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Lithaly Lawnmower 18-inch electric self-propelled. While it's from an unknown brand, this mower still packs in some impressive features. It's cordless, lightweight, and comes with a brushless motor that reduces maintenance and extends the mower's lifespan. The 6-position height adjustment, ranging from 1 to 4 inches, ensures that you can tailor your mowing experience to your lawn's specific needs. Plus, the dual 20-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries provide decent runtime for small to medium-sized yards. Design-wise, the Lithaly mower is compact and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for homeowners who need something lightweight but effective. The push-button start and quiet operation further enhance usability, while its eco-friendly battery-powered design means you can enjoy mowing without the smell of gas or harmful emissions. However, the build quality feels a little less robust compared to premium models. The mower's biggest downside is its limited brand recognition and lack of detailed customer reviews. It's hard to gauge long-term reliability. This lawnmower is best suited for those on a budget who want a quiet, lightweight option for smaller yards. Its affordability and solid feature set make it a good starting point, but not the most versatile option on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the Greenworks 82V bundle. This mower is packed with commercial-grade features that make it stand out. It's self-propelled with rear-wheel drive for excellent control on uneven terrain, and its 25-inch cutting width is the largest on this list, perfect for larger yards. The dual-port rapid charger and the built-in auto-switching system between batteries ensure uninterrupted operation. Plus, the included bonus battery adds even more runtime. This Greenworks mower boasts a durable steel deck and a brushless motor that rivals gas-powered machines in performance, all while eliminating the noise, emissions, and maintenance hassles of gas mowers. At just 63 decibels, it's significantly quieter than its gas counterparts, making it neighbor-friendly. The multi-protection battery management system is a standout feature, ensuring safe and efficient operation. While the Greenworks mower is a powerhouse, it's not the most affordable option, and its heavyweight design might be challenging for some users to maneuver. Additionally, the 82V platform may be more than necessary for smaller lawns. This mower is ideal for homeowners with expansive yards who need high performance and long runtime. If you're looking for a durable and powerful option, this is a solid pick. At number 3, we have the Works 40V 17-inch cordless lawnmower. This mower is designed for small yards, offering a compact and lightweight design that's easy to maneuver. It runs on two 20V PowerShare batteries, which are compatible with over 140 Works tools, adding great value if you're already invested in the Works ecosystem. The patented IntelliCut technology is a game-changer, automatically adjusting the cutting speed based on grass density for more efficient mowing. The mower features a 7-position height adjustment, giving you control over the cutting height from 1.5 to 4 inches. Its quiet operation, rated at just 89 decibels, makes it a great choice for suburban neighborhoods. The 2-in-1 functionality lets you choose between bagging or mulching, and the onboard battery indicator helps you keep track of remaining power. On the downside, the 17-inch cutting width is smaller compared to other models, which means it's not ideal for larger yards. Additionally, the runtime is limited for bigger jobs, requiring a recharge after about 1/8 acre of mowing. This mower is perfect for homeowners with small lawns who value convenience, quiet operation, and compatibility with other Works tools. At number 2, the Ego Power Plus LM2135SP stands out as one of the most advanced options on this list. With its Select Cut multi-blade system, you can customize your cutting experience with interchangeable blades for mulching, bagging, or extended runtime. The touch-drive self-propelled technology gives you full control over the mower's speed and direction, making it extremely user-friendly. The mower comes with a 7.5 Ah arc lithium battery and a rapid charger, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The included bonus 5.0 Ah battery adds even more runtime, making this a fantastic choice for medium to large lawns. The 21-inch cutting width and 8 adjustable height positions allow for precise mowing, while the 3-in-1 functionality ensures versatility in handling grass clippings. The Ego Power Plus mower is pricier and heavier than some options, but its performance and feature set justify the cost. It's also one of the quietest self-propelled mowers in its class. If you want premium performance, advanced features, and a long warranty, this mower is an excellent choice for tech-savvy homeowners. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K electric corded lawnmower. This budget-friendly mower delivers impressive performance for its price. With a powerful 11-amp motor and a cutting speed of 3,300 RPM, it's more than capable of handling small to medium-sized lawns. The 5-position height adjustment lets you choose cutting heights from 1.4 to 3 inches, making it versatile for different grass types. The compact design, lightweight build, only 28 pounds, and foldable handles make it incredibly easy to store and maneuver. The 7.75-inch rear wheels provide excellent maneuverability, even around tight corners. Plus, the 7-gallon grass collection bag keeps your lawn tidy, minimizing post-mowing cleanup. As it's corded, there's no need to worry about battery runtime or refueling. The downside is the limited cutting width of 15 inches, which means it's not ideal for larger yards. Additionally, as a corded mower, you'll need an outdoor extension cord and access to a power outlet, which may be inconvenient for some users. However, if you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and eco-friendly option for a smaller lawn, the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.